Good afternoon, everyone. Am I looking handsome today? Yes, I am. So, here I am again with my third video. So, today's topic is entrepreneur's mindset versus employee's mindset. But before going into this, we have to know few terminologies. Who is an employee? Who is an entrepreneur? What is mindset is all about? An employee is an individual who was hired by an employer to do specific job. An entrepreneur is an initiator, a challenger, someone which creates something new, either an initiative or a company or something else. Mindset. Mindset is a collection of focus, thoughts, and belief which shapes our thought process, and our thought process affects our how do we feel, how do we think, what can we do, all these things. Being an entrepreneur is always about mindset. So, you are an entrepreneur or an employee? Let's find out. First, entrepreneur always work on their skills. On the other hand, employees works on their weaknesses. If you ever gone through an interview, you have probably answered this question. What have you done to improve your weakness? This is a sensible question for an employee. After all, employees are taught that weaknesses are bad and need to be rectified or improved. On the other hand, entrepreneurs are always focused on their strength, not on their weaknesses. Second, entrepreneurs are monotasker. On the other hand, employees try to be multitasker. There is nothing like multitasking. Every employee are ready to do anything to get paid, to get promoted, to get salary, to get attention. But on the other hand, entrepreneurs recognize multitasking as doing nothing well. So they are monotasker. Third, entrepreneurs are ready to take risk. On the other hand, employees avoid them. Fourth, employees are threatened by smarter people. On the other hand, entrepreneurs hire them. Fifth, entrepreneurs delegate. Employees practice DIY. DIY means do it yourself. Entrepreneurs are looking for a way to get things going or plated. They know the value of monetary time and focus on the things only they can do. On the other hand, employees are opposite. They want to do each and everything and see it as an weakness to don't juggle it around. They want to learn each and every aspects of the business. So these are the difference between entrepreneur and employee's mindset. By knowing this, you will know who are you, an entrepreneur or an employee. This is all from my side. Please guys, give me some valuable feedback so that I can improve myself. Thank you.